What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tip. This video is going to be about a minute long. Let's say you have a ton of footage on your timeline and there's tons of gaps between everything. You can see on my timeline, every little piece of footage has a gap. It's really annoying. What you could do is just drag all the footage back one by one, which would take forever. What you could do is right click between each clip and do ripple delete. That would take forever. Or super simple, hear me out. Let's look at the whole timeline. There's all these clips. Go to sequence and then close gap right here. And that squishes everything down all at once. No ripple delete, no moving the timeline. That's super simple and super easy. This is probably a super short video. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos and more tips. And scan that QR code on the screen. Helps me out a ton.